Hi people, I extrude that part of polygon. Today I would like to use one tool. It may be obvious for some people, but I wanted to reduce number of edges of this top polygon, so I decided to modify it a little bit. Today I will use tool called the collapse. This works similar to weld, but it welds the edges to inward. Okay, collapse edges and faces. We also have dynamic context menu. You can activate in add-ons, but you have to install it because by default this doesn't exist. I think it is existing, but you have to double check if you have that add-on. Collapse edges. Two of the edges, they can be collapsed together. I think I will have to cut this polygon. In a minute people, I must go to work to do cleaning work. Unfortunately, I have limited amount of time, but today I wanted to show to you I'm using new version of Blender which uses Vulkan engine. Vulkan backend. Sorry, backend. I forgotten how to say in English. Because OpenGL has some limitations, but Vulkan is more powerful. It can handle more polygons directly in viewport. This is why I'm using the latest version of Blender. And here we can collapse edges and faces. Where is in menu? You should unfortunately don't go to edges, but you have to go to mesh, clean up, I think delete, mesh, delete, collapse edges and faces. I think this tool is very crucial when you want to reduce number of edges. Mesh, delete, collapse edges and faces. There are some other techniques how to reduce number of edges. You can also use dissolve edges, but this topic was more mainly about how to use tool collapse, because I want to use this top part of the door to create some windows. See you guys, I need to get back to work.